Are you one of the millions of Americans who just live their life, have fun, do whatever they want with no hopes of retiring? Well, I'm here to tell you today that it's very possible. Sometimes, honestly, right now, no matter how hard you work, if you're spending your time for money, you can be the strongest person in the world, and you'll never actually retire or make enough money to travel and do what you want. So, what you want to do is work hard, but also make sure you invest and spend your time earning passive income. You want to buy assets that can build your wealth. So, what I'm doing today for everybody is I'm going to go ahead and give you $200. All you have to do is use the link below in the description, and you can automatically get $200 free from me and start investing and building your credit and buying assets. Use this money to go ahead and pay off any debts you have. Start using this link as your own personal way to build your credit and then start making money passively. The hard truth right now is that you can work your butt off for years and years and years, but until you start actually building money while you sleep, you're never gonna really retire where you want to be. So thanks so much for watching. If you like this content, please like and subscribe for more, and I appreciate it. Have a great day, everybody. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and use the link in the description below to get your $200 today and start making plans towards the future.